Oh, bummer. I had reason to believe this phone might actually be back in working order, but there's no doubts on it. Looks like it's at least fully intact. This is Main Street 7 train station. This phone's been giving off a busy signal for like 2 years now when you call it, but today I called and it was ringing, and that was my reason to believe that maybe it was back in working order, but nothing doing. It's not dead yet though. If the phone rings or if you get a busy signal, there is still hope that it will come back to life, but I really doubt it.